Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I wanted to make this video on how to make internet friends because, as you guys know, earlier I made a video on how to start a successful channel in 2019. I mentioned that it's helpful to have connections in your community and really engage with the community itself and make some friends. So this video is definitely not a tutorial on how to use people and get numbers from your connections, but this video is going to be raw and honest and how to actually make real connections with people online, because a lot of the online friendships I've made. Okay, let me just tell you about how I felt about online friends. I never really thought that online friends that I made were people that I talked to daily, people that I went through for advice. A lot of the friends that I have through YouTube or Instagram, they feel like big sisters to me, and I feel like I can ask them for advice or just anything that I want to talk about, and that's truly amazing to make that connection just online. And I just want to share a few things that made these friendships successful, because I've seen a lot of people try to make internet friends and they're just not doing it in the correct way to actually make a real connection and not just a friendship that's fake or awkward. So if you guys would like to make some internet friends, just keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to be mentioning is find people that have similar niches to you on YouTube. I mean, obviously it's great to be friends with different people, but if you're a lifestyle YouTuber, becoming friends with a gaming YouTuber is definitely more difficult than becoming friends with a lifestyle YouTuber, because you guys will have more in common and you can relate to each other, and it'll actually help you engage in the community. So it's very easy to find other small YouTubers. You can find them in the comment sections of bigger YouTubers that you watch that are in your same niche, and you can find their Instagrams, and that leads on to the next tip. Get to know that person a little better before reaching out to them. Don't just reach out to a complete stranger that you just found on YouTube right in their DMs and ask to be friends. Watch their videos or look at their Instagram posts, actually figure out about their personality. You might not even like that person or their personality, so what's the effort into just DMing them? And if they watch your videos and you watch their videos, you at least have some common ground there. Comment and like their posts. I definitely think that just being acquaintances at first and being sweet and just showing them that you appreciate the content and hard work they're putting out there definitely shows a sign of appreciation, and it just starts a friendship off in a good way. And this is the most important part. It's how to reach out to someone. I see so many people make mistakes on this one, and it truly kind of breaks my heart because I feel like it just damages a friendship from the start. It sounds very dramatic, but it's honestly true. Instagram DMs is definitely a good way to contact that person. Don't contact them through their business email, because that's just for business inquiries. I've met so many people through Instagram DMs. I definitely think that the power of Instagram DMs is crazy. Most of my friends I've made are from Instagram DMs. Ask them an important question. Reaching out with the hey can make it awkward, because right when someone says hey, like you expect them to start the conversation, and it's just like an awkward, it usually just ends in an awkward way, and then say, hey, how are you doing? The conversation just never gets super engaging. Start the conversation with something engaging so that person actually wants to take time out of their day to respond to you. Don't just be another person in their Instagram box that says, hey. You could start the combo with simple things like, what do you use to edit? I love your videos. Or, your videos are such high quality. What do you use to film? I think that those are definitely great conversation starters, because you can start talking about cameras or your budget or things that are involved with YouTube. And this video isn't definitely directed to YouTube only. I mean, if you're an Instagrammer, you can also talk about what presets you use and different things like that. Never say, hey, can we be internet friends? That is just such a turn off. You can't force someone to be your friend, and they will feel uncomfortable saying no. The combo might just end there. And would you really walk up to someone in real life and ask them to be friends? That's just so awkward. I mean, I don't think anyone's brutally honest enough to just say no, but it puts them in an uncomfortable position where they really can't reject you. Everyone who's asked me, can we be internet friends? We've never really ended up building a real connection. All my close friends I have right now that are made from the internet, no one's ever asked each other, can we be internet friends? That's not how it went. And I'm very happy it didn't go down that way. It just makes things awkward and forced. How to maintain the friendship. Don't only talk about social media. If you only talk about social media or like growth tips, it kind of can seem that you're using that person. When you meet someone off the internet, you really don't know them, so assumptions can be built very easily, but I think it's really important to talk about other things, bond on other levels, not only social media. My group chat that I talk to almost every single day, we don't only talk about YouTube. If you actually really open up the discussion field and don't only talk about YouTube, which I think is great, get to know each other, like what hobbies you enjoy and just your daily life. Honestly, having friends on the internet that you can just rant to and ask for advice is great. When I'm like struggling with something at school, sometimes my internet friends are easier to talk to than people at school. Don't self-promote. They'll just start feeling like like a tool, not a person. Yeah, it's great to talk about your content, but don't be sending that person links to every single video you post. It just starts to feel like you're just using them for views, and just friends don't do that. I'm sorry. And remember that all these tips are in my personal opinion. You do not have to listen to me, but these tips have definitely helped me to make some friends on the internet that I actually talk to every single day and that I can trust and go to. Another way to connect is to collab on YouTube, but only collab if you guys are both interested. Don't annoy someone for a collab, or it's like, can we be friends? Don't force that friendship, but if you guys both enjoy each other's content and you guys both want to collab, then definitely do so. Your communities on YouTube will also kind of unite since you guys collabed, and it might just create a stronger friendship. This is a new thing that I've started, is I don't really want to collab with people that I don't really know, because a lot of times after a collab we make a video together and then we don't really talk after, and I just think that it's kind of weird like that. I don't want to collab with another YouTuber to be like a business project. Obviously when you collab with a business, you guys don't really talk after, it's just a business exchange. When you do it with another creator, I think that it's nice to actually have a friendship with that person. Those are just the main tips that I shared today. I definitely have a lot more, but if you guys want to see a part 2, let me know. I just think this video is so important. Recently this year I've made a lot more internet friends. 2018 was definitely the year where I branched out of my own little bubble on YouTube, so I definitely recommend that you guys go out there and find people that have things in common with you. Sorry, I'm really sick, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and please join my family if you like my content and you find it helpful, because I'm trying to make more informative content so I can bring value to you guys. That's all I gotta say, and I'll see you in the next video.
I keep on falling into pieces every day.